Hello, party people! It's Randy for Thunder Horse Descendant. I am going to do my show and tell video of items that I picked up in Taylor's Falls at the Taylor's Falls Bead Store. These items will be available for purchase on my website, and we will leave a link for you in the description. So I only have a few items that I brought back with me, so we're just going to talk about them a little bit. First of all, being that we're moving into February, I had to get some amethyst. So these are genuine amethysts, and I just kind of wanted to lay them out so you can see. I wanted to show you how they are tapered. Maybe this is better. So I have 3 strands of these, and you can see how they're tapering in to a bigger stone. Okay, so just wanted to make you aware of that. And then they're going to taper out on the back side here. So each strand is about 16 inches. Just double check that, but I'm pretty sure that is correct. Yep, about 16 inches. And these strands are 15-20 a piece, which is amazing, in my opinion. I have a really nice necklace that uses these beads that was made for me by Amber from the Taylor's Falls Bead Store, who is also Thunder Horse Descendants photographer. She made it for my birthday. Was it my birthday last year? Yeah, it was my birthday last year. And it has this strand on there, which is really nice. So anyways, I wanted to tell you a little bit about amethyst if you're not familiar. For the most part, when people start getting into stones and stuff like that, one of the number one stones that they start looking into is amethyst, because it's pretty. It's a pretty easily recognizable stone. It's purple. I mean, come on. Anyhow, so amethyst is the February birthstone. It is also the sobriety stone. And I just have a little blurb here that I'm going to read. So I generally put this on most of my amethyst descriptions, just for if people are not aware. But anyways, amethyst is good for identifying root causes behind behaviors, habits, and emotional patterns. It's good for protection, purification, divine connection, release of addictions, and clearer thinking. So that is one of the reasons that it is the sobriety stone. So it's been highly esteemed throughout the ages and is stunning and beautiful, easily recognizable. And amethyst has the ability to calm. So amethyst has been deemed the sobriety stone by the ancient Egyptians. It was said that amethyst helped to prevent drunkenness, and that it was a bright color named for the god of wine. And he poured his wine over a clear crystal. Okay, so if any of you are following the pyramids, if you know anything about the Egyptian pyramids, you know they were all built on quartz, which I thought was amazing. I just found that out. Anyways, I digress. So it says that he poured his wine out over a clear crystal in mourning. The amethyst has long been said to promote sobriety, both in the literal sense and to prevent drunkenness, and is has the sense and the ability to think more, gives you the sense and ability to think more clearly and not be clouded with emotions of any specific sort. Okay, so there are a lot of different stories and things that go along with amethyst. From different cultures and different stuff, you know, the Greeks and the Romans and the Egyptians and things like that. But even if you're not going to use it as a sobriety stone, amethyst is a stone that has spiritual protection, purification, and cleansing of your energy to release the negative influences, and to create a shield of light around you. And so this can act as a barrier against low energy, against stress, unhealthy environments, negative behaviors of other people, you know, that type of thing. So anyhow, that is the dealio with the amethyst. And I just love amethyst. Amethyst is probably one of my favorite stones. It is my birthstone because I was born in February. So we're going to make these three strands available on the website. Again, they don't have a specific size because they are tapered in, but they have really good striation. So there you go. If you're looking for some February birthday doings. Next up, I went out and I got some more kits because we sold most of our kits. We sold most of our kits, I think, last week that we had available. So these are the wire wrap ones. I'll dump this out so you can see. These are the ones with the memory wire. All the kits on the website right now are they're $12. And so these are the memory wire ones. So you get your memory wire, your leather pieces, your bead cones. Oh, these are cool. I didn't look at this one yet. You can see how different kits have different components. Like these ones have some smaller bronze bead caps. It's got little charms, and it's got your Chinese crystals, black and silver. So these are the kits. They come with instructions. If you need help with this, I have done videos both on Facebook and we've posted them to YouTube. So you can refer to those videos if you need assistance where it actually shows me making these. They're really easy. These ones here, all you need for tools is some kind of plier to bend the end of the memory wire. And that's it. So these are $12. And then we also, looks like I got black, I got orange. This one's orange, but it's a little different. Orange with clear and has silver bead caps. This one has bronze. So I'll be posting those up. Again, we'll put a link to all of this in the description, or you can just visit my website, www.thunderhorse-descendant.com. So these are the Criss Cross Bracelet Kits. I think we sold out of these last week. It looks like we have pink, so I'll show you what they look like. We have pink, we have orange, we have like some red and pink, some blue, some green, a little bit of everything looks like. So these ones are also $12. FYI, I was just on Goody Beads this morning. They have kits pretty much, I won't say identical, but pretty similar to this, with different buttons, and their kits are, I think, $16. So these buttons are handmade, and they're meant to look like flowers, and they're like fired. Excuse me. So you get your leather, you get your 6mm Chinese seed beads, and all your oval jump rings in your button, and your step-by-step instructions. Again, I made a video on this as well, and that will be linked in the description so that you can find that if you need assistance. I also put it in the body of the Etsy listing and on the website and Etsy. So again, these are the Criss Cross Bracelet Kits. We have a bunch of different colors. I'll list them up under the variations section. I'll list all the colors out so you can see them on the website. And then lastly, I have Amethyst pendants and Citrine pendants. So Citrine, if you're not aware, is November's birthstone. Get those out of the way. And I just have these separate because these are been restocked on the website. These are $6, so these ones are already available. And these ones are a little smaller. You can see they're a tad smaller. These ones are a little lighter, the lavender amethyst, and these are $4. These ones are bigger and have a little more striation and things like this. One's really cool. And these are $6. So those are listed on the website. these are the citrines. These are $4.20 on the website. Oh, there's another one laying about. Yeah, super good. So what these are, here's another difference I'll show you. These ones have a eye pin. These ones have soldering on the top, so it gives them a little more detail. But they all have a bail on them, and basically all you would need to do is just add a chain, and you would have a genuine raw amethyst or citrine pendant. They make really great gifts. I've given out a number of those for gifts, and they're super easy if you just want a really beautiful stone to give your friend or to give a Valentine or something to that effect. These are really great. So if you like these videos and you want to see more from my from me, Randy, Thunder Horse Descendant, or from our friends at Taylor's Falls Bead Store, which I will then be posting to my website, give me a like, a share, a comment. Anything helps. Subscribe to the channel. Tell your friend. Bring a friend. Oh, bring a friend to one of the live Facebooks that I do. That would be great. I do live Facebook videos on every Tuesday and Friday at 8 p.m. And in those videos, I give stuff away. I do like little tutorials. I make stuff. I show stuff that I've made. I do different things like that. So join the group, Thunder Horse Descendant, and hopefully